Understanding tender care in English. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into the warm and nurturing phrase, tender care. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a beautiful expression in the English language. So, let's get started. Tender and care are two words that come together to create a phrase that's rich in emotion and compassion. Tender refers to something gentle, loving, and kind, while care means to look after someone with attention and concern. When combined, tender care implies a deep level of kindness and nurturing. Now that we know what tender care means, let's see it in action. It's commonly used when referring to how someone is being looked after, especially if they need extra attention, like a baby, a sick person, or even a delicate plant. Example: the nurse provided tender care to her patients, making sure they felt comfortable and loved. Example: you must handle this rare flower with tender care. It's very sensitive to its environment. The phrase is not just about physical care. It also conveys emotional support. It's about creating a safe and caring atmosphere that can be felt emotionally. Using tender care in conversations shows empathy and compassion, which are powerful and important human traits. Tender care isn't limited to healthcare or gardening. It can be used in various contexts, such as parenting, hospitality, and even customer service. It's about providing an exceptional level of care that makes someone feel valued and cared for. In parenting, she raised her children with such tender care, always nurturing their dreams and aspirations. In customer service, our team is dedicated to giving tender care to all customer concerns, ensuring satisfaction. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, tender care. We hope this video has not only taught you the meaning but also the beautiful sentiment behind the words. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying feelings and connections. Until next time, take care and may you always handle the English language with the same tender care that it deserves.